Hi guys, long time no see. I know I haven't uploaded in months. I'm not really going to be talking about that because there's not really an excuse. I've been busy. But today I'm going to be doing a full bathroom deep clean. Honestly, my bathroom's not in terrible condition. I try and keep up on it, but I want to kind of take you through the process that I do not only in my own house but in my client's house to deep clean the bathroom, make sure I get just about everything. I'm going to show you guys the supplies that I have and we will get started. All right, let's talk about the supplies I'm going to be using. I have these microfiber rags. These are from Walmart. I got like a 40 pack for like $10. I use these for clients' houses as well. And then I'm using these glass towel microfiber rags. These are from Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. I have my scrub brush. This one is from the Dollar Tree. I literally love these and I haven't been able to find a ton. I have like 4 or 5. So I've been trying to save them, but I love these to scrub the sinks, the tubs, like this stuff, or this thing is literally amazing. Okay, as far as like cleaning products, I'm going to have these Lysol wipes. I'm going to be using these at the end to kind of go over everything, make sure everything's disinfected. And then these are good for like knobs, handles, light switches, all that good stuff. My favorite glass cleaner, Spray Away. This is a foaming glass cleaner. It's ammonia free and I just love this stuff more than Windex. For the toilet, I'm going to be using this Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner. It is from the Dollar Tree. I really love this stuff. I think it does a really great job. I love, I think Lysol has great ones too, but for cheaper, this Lime Away works amazing. I have my Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser. I love this stuff. It's great for stainless steel, bathtubs, showers, sinks, literally anything. I'm going to be using it on my bathtub, like, hardware because I have some like buildup on there and maybe in my sink. I'm not sure yet. I have my Love Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner. I literally bought this forever ago and it smells great. So I love to use it in my own bathroom. I don't really use this in other people's houses. I don't know why. I just don't. But I'm trying to use it up. I'm almost out of it kind of. So it smells literally amazing though. And the last thing is this Lysol hydrogen peroxide multi-purpose cleaner. It kills 99% of bacteria, so I think I'm going to be using this in the bathtub, and it has 0% bleach in it. So the first thing I like to do is take just about everything out of the bathroom. The toilet brush, paper towel, everything on the sinks and the counters. This just gives me a much better like clean slate to clean with, and I don't have to worry about, you know, going around things because that's kind of the lazy way to clean. So I like to take everything out of the bathroom, put it probably like outside the door or something, and that way I can get a clean slate, and then I will vacuum literally everything and dust everything. So I usually start dusting up top, work my way around like in little areas, and then I also will vacuum everything. So I'll vacuum the counters, I'll vacuum the toilet. Yes, I know it sounds crazy, but it literally gets up all that little dust and hair, and then you're not just wiping it around and getting it all over the place. I will also vacuum the top. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. The tub and the shower, the floors, and everything. So these two steps, dusting and vacuuming, are super important and will save you a ton of time in the long run. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down in the night. After vacuuming and dusting everything, I'll pre-treat the toilet. So I'll spray the outside with the disinfectant, and then I'll also put the cleaner in the toilet bowl, and this just lets it sit and disinfect for however long I'm cleaning the rest of the bathroom. I'll also go in if I need to and put some vinegar on the faucets. Sometimes I do it in the shower as well, but I just had to do the sink this time. This gets rid of any buildup on there, and just if you guys have never checked that part of your sink, definitely check it and clean it because it can get pretty disgusting. Something about you gives me hope. Something about now it's time to finally start doing some scrubbing. So now that the toilet's sitting and disinfecting and the sink faucet is also sitting with the vinegar, I'm going to clean the tub and shower walls. I'm using Barkeeper's Friend and this little Clorox wand from Clorox, obviously. It just makes it so much easier to scrub and you don't have to like break your back. I'll have it linked down below, and I'm just spreading this, or I mean scrubbing literally everywhere, and then I'm showing you guys here. It's kind of hard to see. I'm scrubbing the hardware and letting that sit for a little bit because like I said, there's some buildup on there, and then I rinsed everything off, which I kind of forgot to show, but here's some of the dirty water. As you can see, it was pretty gross. And then I like to squeegee the walls. This gets rid of any like soap scum buildup, hard water buildup, and this should be done every time you get out of the shower so the water's just not sitting on the walls. And then I moved on to cleaning the mirrors with my spray away. I had to get a letter out because my mirrors are super tall and I don't like them, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. And then I obviously continue cleaning the rest of the bathroom.
Breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. Let's dance the night away, we're locked together, far away, you and me.
Now that the sink and counter are clean, I'm going to put everything back. I like to wipe everything down before I put it back like in its place. Things can get dusty and like soap can get on whatever. So it's good to just give it a quick wipe down before you put everything back. I like to do this for my clients too. It's little details that kind of make a big difference. So yeah, I just like to do that stuff. And then I'm going to also put the stuff back in my shower, and I'll finally clean the toilet that's had plenty of time to sit and disinfect.
So far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. On that till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance on that till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby.
Alright guys, so the bathroom is mostly done. The only thing I haven't done yet is the floors. I have to re-vacuum them and mop them, but I have to go in a minute, so I'm just going to save that for later. But I wanted to go over a few things that I didn't record that I did clean. So first is the shower bar. I wiped that down with 2 Clorox wipes. It was literally disgusting. I've never done it before, so that's something that definitely needs to be cleaned. You guys saw me scrub these. They look so much better. They're still, I think this is like paint or something, so I don't know how to get that off, but it looks so much better and I'm happy with that result. I also wiped down the outside of the bathtub. It's easily a forgotten spot, so definitely wipe down the outside when you clean your tubs and showers. The last thing I did that I didn't show you guys is like around the toilet. I used a scrub brush and like scrubbed around here because that collects a lot of like urine and stuff. So not only like the sides right here, but get around the toilet as well. Alright guys, that was the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. I don't know what I'm going to upload next. I'm going to be completely honest, but hopefully I can get some videos up in the next few weeks. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.